So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Kinetic Sand folding sandbox with 2 pounds of kinetic sand, okay? So this is the package you see right here. I'm actually going to open this up so you guys can see what's all included, how the kinetic sand looks. Guys, if you guys have not had kinetic sand in your life, oh my gosh, you haven't lived, okay? Because kinetic sand is so much fun to play with, not just for your kiddos, but also for adults too. So the kiddos and I just love spending time making the different shapes. And in this particular case, you've got an entire sandbox kit that you can actually keep the kinetic sand contained in and make your shapes and castles as you guys see from the cover. So let's open it up. So I took the cardboard packaging off and here we go, right? So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. You've got your 2 latches on the side. And then of course the box itself is the sandbox that you're going to be making your molds out of and also containing your kinetic sand. And let me go ahead and lift it up this way so that we can go ahead and allow you guys to see the rest. Now, with this kit, you're going to get 7, I can't even talk today, 7 kinetic sand tools and molds. So that's what you see right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. So we've got our shovel right here. We've got this spatula looking thing, right? We've got a mold that's going to be perfect for making like bricks type, molds for your castle or whatever you decide to build, or your kids decide to build. I keep saying myself because I play with the kinetic sand along with the kids. We've got some of the tops for like a castle mold or whatever you want to do with it. Another mold right over here. And we've got a king and a queen mold right over here, okay? And then, of course, we've got our kinetic sand. So I'm just going to break some apart so you guys can see. I just want you guys to see how cool this is. Look at this. Like, this is amazing. Like, look at that, right? And there are so many things you can do with this. I'm going to come up close in case you guys want to see a close-up image of the kinetic sand, but look at this. You can literally mold it into anything that you want. Isn't that neat, right? And so imagine what you're going to be able to do with this kit to be able to just get creative. You know what I mean? All kinds of fun pretend play, right? The other thing about this is also great for sensory fun. This is definitely something that you can use to keep your kiddos occupied for prolonged periods of time because there's so much they can do with this, right? And the other really great thing is the fact that we've got a case that we can keep it all contained in. So you don't have to worry about having a separate, item to put everything in, your tools and all of that, because all you're gonna do is just close it all up and get it ready for the next time you guys use it. So I hope that this video helps.